Hey, it's Gina with WTI. We needed to replace some of our single SPST light switches in our fifth wheel. And we got this one from American Technology because the color is a nice white that matches the walls in our remodeled bathroom. That was something that I was really looking forward to having because the ones that came with the RV were kind of like a cream color off-white and they just didn't match anymore. This was really easy to install. My husband disconnected the electrical connectors just by pulling on them. It's really very simple. And then you simply plug them into the new unit and you can set it to your wall. We just reused the screws that were on our old one. And it just was so simple. It really could not be easier. You reset the screws and then put the cover on and that's it. It works perfectly. I'm so happy to have this updated and new switch in our bathroom, and that's my point of view.